Ariva, guys, currently trading at 0.002028. It's up 6.83% as of the last 24 hours, guys. It is ranked number 711 on the list. Market cap at $14.715 million. What is this cryptocurrency, guys? This is a travel cryptocurrency. So if you're looking for booking travel, getting into airplane flights, this is a cryptocurrency you want to look into. Also, what markets it's on is Huobi Global, Bittrex, Gate.io, LBank, MEX, PancakeSwap. Let's see, Probit Global, Indodax, Bitmart, XT.com. There are a lot of platforms, guys. So this cryptocurrency you can trade. You guys can also, cast positions also. Now let's check out the website, guys. This is Avira.digital. Avira.digital. So you're looking for the new dawn of tourism. So this is a good cryptocurrency for that. Now, guys, before jumping into cryptocurrency, check out their website, read their information, read their white paper, understand the cryptocurrency as much as you can before jumping right into it. Just don't follow the news, don't even follow what I say. Just do your own research, guys. Now, this part of Ariva is very interesting. This is Ariva.game. Now, if you're looking for some of their games and their trailers, check out this page below. I will have a link below in the description. So if you want to look at their Avira wonderful teaser number 1, number 2, and exploring around, just check out this because it's very interesting. Like I've been making videos about this cryptocurrency at higher prices, obviously, and it has been trending down. But I thought it was pretty interesting. They have their own little game portion of it. And if you're looking at different games when you're coming to cryptocurrencies, I'm not so big into the metaverse, but I do like looking at different aspects of cryptocurrencies and games. Gives it a little bit more, gives us some more usability. But you know what, guys? Besides that, let's check out their news when it comes to Twitter page. Got some big news that I found. One tweet. So they got 131,000 followers. Let's get some new recent updates of their game for the metaverse. Let's see. Very constructive discussion with Ariva coin projects with the blockchain technology for tourism. So if you want to check out some of these posts, guys, please do. There's one post I really want to show you guys right here. This is the Ariva Digital, the first batch of Ariva POS machines. So for payment machines have been delivered to Dubai. Feel excited? We're placing them on selected hotels receptions soon. So this is actually pretty nice. Maybe some people will be actually using this to actually book their travel for payment for travel. That's pretty cool. I'm happy they're having some real world application for it, and they're having a game. So this might be some new turnaround. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So if you look at this, guys, the price has been increasing over the last 24 hours. But if you look back in the past, yes, it has been downtrending pretty hard. Did a little big push up right here, and then it pulled back and continued the trend lower. A little pullback right here, and then continue the trend even lower. This low has not been beaten yet. This is the 0.000, so 407, and hopefully it can withstand that and build up new buyers or returning buyers to increase the price. And we'll see, guys. So when it comes to the census, it has been doing lower. For me, I do like to see more people enter. So me personally, I will not be entering in this zone right here. Now other people will, so that's fine. But I like to see, if I had to re-enter or enter in this cryptocurrency, for me, I would be looking at doing a buy stop. I want a lot more trend, build up a little bit more, or just more patience to it. So here, let me move the screen over here, guys. Because this is a good possibility that it might just do another pump and head down lower and beat this low that's currently out right here. And we might have a new low altogether. So this is a zone that I want to be very aware of. So where its current price is at. So when it comes to a price prediction, guys, if it had to go up higher, I would say to go to this recent high. Right here would be 0.000299. Basically 0.0003. If it hits that area right here, then we can beat it and build up some structure behind it, or under it. It could go up to a higher. But right now, guys, I don't see it as viable to get into. It might just head down, pump up a little bit to head back down lower. I want to see structure being built, then get in from there. Because I like to trade cryptocurrencies more than do cash positions. That's how I am. But what are your guys' thoughts, guys? Do you guys see this cryptocurrency going up higher, lower, staying pretty mill? Maybe it might start just like flattening out. Well, just give me your thoughts, guys. Well, let's head to our website. Here's Andre J. McClendon. If you want some information about cryptocurrencies, stocks, economy and stats, and EAs for Metro 4 and 5, just let me know. I have them on there. I make indicators and EAs, so just let me know. But I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.